Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. So let's take a look at how you're going to work through your math hour today. First off, yesterday at the end of the lesson, I had you working on a few practice problems on a worksheet, and it was 1 through 10. And it looked like this. And there were some of you that got through some of this yesterday, but then there were others that just didn't get to it, and that's okay. So you're going to see on the agenda, let me bring that back up, that the first thing I have you doing is you're just going to look at a quick reminder on how to solve proportions one more time. It's just a 3-minute video just to walk you through a couple more problems. And then once you look at that, you're going to then come down and go back to the 1 through 10. Now, I did put odds this time. If you started working on this yesterday and just went in order, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, however many done, that's totally fine. If you didn't get to this though, just work on the odds. So if you're starting fresh today to practice these, just do the odds. I will, no matter what, put the answers on here for all 10, no matter where you got to yesterday. So you'll be able to see all 10 answers. And that will be linked here for you to take a peek at your answers after and make sure that you did them correctly. So once you go through that practice, then it says in the third bullet here, you're going to go to Schoology and you're going to complete practice solving proportions. Now, this is for formative assessment only. It's not an assignment grade. It's not going in the grade book, but we are asking for you to go into Schoology and you'll see it and you're going to open it up. And there will be 10 problems in here for you to also try and go through. Now, the difference with this one is you are only going to have one attempt. So, in the past couple weeks when we've done some assignments in Schoology, we've had you do unlimited attempts to get the highest score that you can and to recognize your mistakes. Right now, because this is not an assignment grade and it's only a formative assessment, we're only going to have you try it once, only once. And so it's for us, Mr. Terpstra, Mr. Whalen, and myself, just to see how you're doing with solving proportions. Again, it's not scored. It's not going in the grade book, but we need it so we know what moving forward, how much more emphasis or practice we need to put into proportion work, solving for that missing variable. Okay. So that'll be the third thing that you do. And then if you still have some time remaining today, on Wednesday, we're going to still continue to solve proportions, but we're going to do it with story problems. And so I also have another video here for you to go through from Edpuzzle and just kind of prepare what you're going to see for some stories tomorrow and how we're going to set those proportions up to solve. So have a good Tuesday. Again, always let me know if you have questions. You can send any of your math teachers an email or ask for some support in your crew. But have a great Tuesday, and we will see you tomorrow.